Welcome back to Dr. Native Lectures. In this video, we will talk about the bridle bandage. Bandage for the parietal and submandibular area. So let's start. First of all, you will make the two circulation on the head like this. After two circulations, just take a turn from the neck side and covers the submandibular part and come towards the head like this. Towards the head like this. After completing this, just take a turn towards the neck like this, and in the end just make the two circulations on the head and fix it here. So this is about the bridle bandage. In the bridle bandage, first of all, we will make the two circulations and one circulation. In the third circulation, take a turn towards the neck, covers the submandibular part, and again comes toward that area and goes like this and comes toward the neck region, and in the end make the two circulations and fix it here. This is all about the bridle bandage if a patient have an injury into the parietal and submandibular area. Thank you so much.